Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your website is showing a not secure warning in the browser, it usually means there is basically an SSL or domain issue. So in this video, I will show you how to fix the site not secure problem in Wix in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, we're gonna open the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and look for Wix.com. So what we're gonna do is go through this Wix.com here. Then they're gonna take you to a new tab where you should usually log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go to the dashboard to access settings. As you see the gear icon, settings. Just tap on it once, then go all the way till you see the website settings. As you see, we have manage your site's name, link, and all of this. You can also basically just look for it here, for example, SSL. Then it will take you all the way to domains, for example. It will take you to all of them settings. Okay, we are just waiting for it to refresh. Okay, here we go. We have the domain. Now we can also look for SSL here, security, for example. We have, as you see, get and manage site domains. You can basically also go to the help center. I will show you how now. Okay, so we have SSL, help articles about HTTPS and SSL. We're gonna open this one, or actually let's do it like this. Search in help center. Okay, now we have this help center, and we're gonna go to SSL about HTTPS and SSL. Okay, we're gonna select the AI is typing. Okay, so we're gonna go the way. Okay, as you see, many info. You can basically get all of your information here. You can basically tap on domain security. It will open a new window. You can basically check and search for any domain you want here. Then you can go all the way and activate SSL. So for example, let's say activate SSL. Then this AI will help you. You also have this troubleshooting your SSL certificate and all of this. Just make sure you do as they say, domains, manage DNS records, and check the SSL. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.